This is Clickbot. Cute, right? Clickbot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. Clickbot is an entire universe. See, this is also Clickbot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also Clickbot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine, and this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one Clickbot. See, Clickbot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, Clickbot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, Clickbot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. Clickbot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. Clickbot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? Clickbot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. Blocky by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The Clickbot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. Clickbot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? Clickbot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is Clickbot. Cute, right?
Hello, I'm Makerarm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow maker arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys. canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see Makerarms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow Makerarms. Right now, we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can make anything, anywhere.
Historically, robot arms are seen in large manufacturing industries. They've been using them for decades. And something that's exciting about technology like the xArm is that it makes that accessible for companies like us, smaller companies. Foundry is known for making cool, creative concepts for brands and companies. So one thing we're really looking forward to at the robot arm is to replace the time we spend making small parts so we can free up time to focus on coming up with those clever solutions.
SD3D is a 3D printing company that focuses on prototyping and production needs. Here at SD3D, we run our machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So having a robotic arm to be able to work hand in hand with our machines at any point in time is extremely beneficial.
Precision is also an important part of manufacturing when we look at a time bucket analysis of how we assemble components. So we look at the motion waste, and moving parts to make sure that they're in the right place at the right time reduces the amount of waste in our assembly, which saves us money overall.
Utilizing the xArm within our factory can help lower costs and increase productivity, and can work well with existing technicians.
Frequently, 3D prints take a long time, hours to finish, and they'll finish printing overnight.
The major points for assembly for 3D printing are taking the parts after they're printed and assembling the parts and getting them ready for shipping.
So rather than having a worker come in to have to do the post-processing in the morning, they can come in to finish parts in the morning. The quality of an employee's work life is going to dramatically increase. They'll be able to focus on absolutely the skilled work they want to do and none of the repetitive process that they already don't like.
The most surprising thing to me regarding the xArm is the flexibility, the use cases to be able to switch between a gripper and a screwdriver, the ability to have the camera work hand in hand with the screwdriver, so we can actually have the xArm help repair the printers without a technician on site.
You know, having a robot arm that is small and easy to move around is transformative for a business like ours, because we would use it, say, in one location near the CNC router in the morning and then move it over to the assembly line in the afternoon.
Knowing the low price point of under $10,000, I'd estimate the xArm to be able to save around $20,000 just in the first year.
5 years, 10 years ago, a robot arm like this would have been $50,000. And now seeing what xArm's done at a much more compelling price point, it makes that ROI a lot more attractive, especially for small and emerging businesses.